There's a bird coming into the house. I think it's what this. Oh, still a baby. Thought like mommy bring food for him to eat now. Ow, meow, meow, meow. Astroវាប្រឹងសកាត់តតងដេញចង់ចាប់ដែរលូនAstro don't kill, don't eat, don't destroy. Good boy, good boy, good boy. No, no, Astro, no, no. Astro. You fright him. See? No, no, no. Let's go. Easy. Let him go out. Let him get out, okay? No, 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 Astro, no, no. No. Try to destroy them, no. No, 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 Astro. No, no. No. Let him go, okay? No. Astro, no. No, no, no. Đấy, ngọt à. He's calling for mommy help. No, no, Astro, no, 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 no. He's gonna bite another one. Anh ơi, chắc rồi, Astro. He opened. That's the mommy right there. So no. No, that they're looking for the. Oh, I know. Don't scare them. Stop, Astro. This was just beginning to know how to fly. I don't know where's mommy. They need food. They need food. Yeah, go, your mommy. Go. Go get your mommy. Chop Astro, cut. Jump. Oh, no, Astro. Oh, chop there, chop, boy. Oh, chop. Yeah, let him go. No, Astro. Yeah, let it go. Right. Bite them. Mình đang cười thà cha bị trộn trong kẹt nhom, rồi con cha với về mình đấy, lấy những việc thời giờ về chân kẹo hay Astro cam bên tít đây cam bên lên mình, lấy việc khơi thà trong tàu chạp thế nào.